Let's face it, AI search is completely flipping the script on SEO, and everyone's scrambling to find an edge. One tool you hear about constantly is Surfer SEO. It promises to be the key to winning in this brave new world. So, is it? Is this the ultimate tool we've been looking for? Let's dig in and find out.
Okay, first things first, we have to get one thing straight. The old SEO playbook, it's dead. Gone. The days of just stuffing keywords and making a few on-page tweaks are long over. So the real question, the one you need to be asking yourself is, how do you actually win now?
To even start to answer that, you have to understand the new rules of the game. It's like the entire landscape has shifted right under our feet. The strategies that worked like a charm yesterday, well, today they're basically a recipe for disaster.
You see, it's not just about ranking in those classic 10 blue links on Google anymore. That's only half the battle. Now your brand has to show up on the search engine results page and inside the answers AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini are spitting out. This whole new battlefield has a name, AI search optimization. And believe me, it is a whole new ballgame.
And this is exactly where a tool like Surfer SEO strolls into the conversation. It was basically built from the ground up to tackle this specific challenge, optimizing for both old-school search and these new AI-powered answers. So what is it really? At its core, Surfer calls itself an all-in-one platform for AI search optimization. The whole goal, the entire mission, is to make sure your brand shows up wherever your customers are looking. Because let's be real, if you're invisible, you're not getting picked. It's as simple as that.
And how in the world does it do that? Well, it gets super granular. Surfer analyzes your content against more than 500 different ranking signals. It's basically reverse engineering what's working on Google right now, in real time, to give you a clear, data-driven path to the top. Yeah, you can kind of think of it as the ultimate cheat sheet for modern SEO.
All right, so let's pop the hood. What do you actually get inside this toolkit? We're going to break down two of its most critical features. And we'll start with the one that honestly is probably its most powerful. I'm talking about the Content Editor.
So, the Content Editor. This thing is Surfer's crown jewel. As you're writing, it's giving you feedback in real time. It'll tell you the perfect word count to aim for, how many headlines and images you need, and it even gives you a list of crucial related keywords to sprinkle in. And the best part? It's all tracked with this live content score from 0 to 100. Oh, and it plugs right into Google Docs and WordPress, which makes using it incredibly seamless.
And that real-time feedback is an absolute game changer. But hey, don't just take my word for it. SEO expert Brian Dean from Backlinko, a guy who's tested pretty much every tool under the sun, he puts it pretty bluntly. He calls the Content Editor awesome, easily their best feature. That's a huge stamp of approval. Okay, next up, we've got the Audit tool. Now, if the Content Editor is for writing new articles, the Audit tool is all about refreshing the content you already have. And it's a super simple 4-step process. You just pick your page and your keyword, you tell it who you're competing against, and boom, it spits out a clear list of actionable things you can do to boost your rankings. But here's the real magic of the Audit tool. It's a little section called Terms to Use. It looks at what your top competitors are talking about and gives you a list of important topics and phrases that you've missed. This is huge, because it lets you instantly fix what we call content gaps. You're essentially proving to Google and to the AIs that you're an authority because you've covered the topic from every single angle. Okay, so Surfer clearly has some seriously powerful data-driven tools. No doubt about it. But how does it actually stack up when you put it head-to-head with the other big names in this space? And this is where it gets really interesting, because you start to see these completely different philosophies. Surfer is all about the here and now, tactical optimization. It reverse engineers the search results to tell you exactly what to do for one specific page. Clearscope, on the other hand, is much more focused on editorial quality and making teamwork simple. And then you've got MarketMuse, which is the long-term strategist, using AI to plan your entire content strategy.
Let me boil it down for you, because this is the key difference. Surfer gives you a tactical roadmap to win with one single article. MarketMuse looks at your entire website to build a long-term strategic plan. See, they're solving very different problems.
And of course, we've got to talk about the price, the money. When you put Surfer next to its most direct competitor, Clearscope, you see a pretty big difference right out of the gate. That lower entry price makes Surfer a really attractive choice, especially for agencies or teams that need to pump out a lot of optimized content without breaking the bank.
So, after looking at the features, the philosophy, the competition, the price, what's the final verdict? What's the bottom line on Surfer SEO? Well, what the experts are saying seems pretty balanced. On the pro side, you've got that amazing content editor, some really unique data you can't get anywhere else, and it's just fantastic for on-page SEO. The cons? Well, some of its features can be a little overwhelming, its built-in keyword tool is pretty basic, and the costs can start to climb if you need a lot of add-ons.
Which, of course, brings us right back to the big question, the one we started with. Is Surfer SEO actually worth it for your team, for your goals?
And look, the verdict isn't a simple yes or no. It really truly depends on your main goal. You should go with Surfer if your mission is to produce a high volume of optimized content and you want that real-time writing coach by your side. But if your number one priority is pure editorial quality and smooth team collaboration, Clearscope is probably a better fit. And if you're a big enterprise team trying to build a long-term content strategy, well, then you're probably looking at a tool like MarketMuse.
So, here's the big takeaway. Surfer is an incredibly powerful tactical weapon for this new age of AI search. It gives you a clear, data-driven battle plan for every single piece of content you create. And that really just leaves us with one final, crucial question for you. As AI completely rewrites the rules of the game, is your content strategy actually ready to compete?